Welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardo and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, what we're going to be showing you guys is the upgrade that we've carried out to an MGB GT. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Other than that guys, let's get started. Talking you guys through is basically we're going to start off with the radio. So the radio basically is absolutely packed with functionality, giving a completely different driving experience for this vehicle. So what we've done is basically installed the radio, and there actually wasn't a radio in the vehicle as it came into us. So what we've installed is a Kenwood BT640U. That unit basically gives functionality of CD, FM using the existing telescopic antenna on the wing of this vehicle, as well as the fact you've got Bluetooth for hands-free so you can drive and be on the phone safely, as well as Bluetooth streaming so you can listen to your own music. But not only that, you've also got a USB and aux on the front of that unit as well. So it's absolutely jam-packed with functionality, and that's one of the key reasons why this customer went for that unit. However, all of that is decided on during our consultation. Basically, the customer came by, we sat down, we went through all the different options, whether we wanted to go for a stock look, aftermarket look, and all the features and benefits of going down each route. Once we decided on a system, we had the vehicle booked in, and that's how the best way we can work with you, because we can choose and guide you in terms of what the best solutions for you and your vehicle. Whether you want a stock look, whether you want a classic style radio, or whatever the upgrade is, we'll go through everything in great detail, and we have the knowledge to basically go through what's going to suit the vehicle, what's going to work well. So not only have we upgraded the radio and given this vehicle loads more functionality when you're driving the vehicle along the road, but we've also upgraded the sound. In this vehicle, what it came into us with was some aftermarket speakers mounted into the rear area of the vehicle. So you just got two coaxial, there were 4-inch speakers. What we've done is basically mounted the Audison Prima 5-inch coaxial speakers. An incredible difference, and they're one of the best speakers that you can buy to run off factory or aftermarket head units. So basically all you've got is 2 speakers in the vehicle. However, there's such a good range of speakers. The actual sound quality in the vehicle is really impressive for what it is. We obviously do complete upgrades in terms of custom fabrication work as well, or we can do simple upgrades such as this. So there was already aftermarket grills in the vehicle and there was already aftermarket speakers. However, now they've been replaced, looks really good, but also the sound in the vehicle has not only just improved, but the vehicle actually just looks better cosmetically. Another thing that we've also done is run new speaker cable from your head unit all the way over to the new aftermarket Audison Prima speakers. That just basically, we do that just as a belt and braces sort of protocol basically in terms of when we're installing into classic vehicles. We're just basically running everything new. It just means that all the cabling is going to last that little bit longer, and we also check through all of the wiring in the vehicle as we're doing the install and basically inform you if there is any changes that we need to basically make to those cables. But overall, this car was absolutely perfect, and basically we've just tidied up all the electric, made sure it's all neat and tidy. So not only behind the scenes is it impressive, but also you've got loads more functionality now. So hopefully that's given you a bit more of an idea of what this system looks like. Obviously we do complete loads of different systems for not only this vehicle, but any vehicle for that matter. And the best way to get booked in with us is during the consultation. We'll basically go through everything step by step with you. Hopefully you guys have found this video useful. You've seen one example of a system that we've installed into an MGB GT. If you're interested in something like this or something completely different, for instance, make sure you book an audio consultation. Come by, visit us, meet us. We'll give you a full tour of our premises. We'll go through all the products with you and get the best solution for you and your vehicle. So that's basically just one example that we've shown you. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you have done, make sure you press the subscribe button below. Other than that, guys, hopefully we'll see you soon.